Alright guys, welcome back to another video on the Ghost Flash channel, and today we're doing an install on the Genesis. Actually, we're doing a couple installs on the Genesis. As you can see, we got 5 boxes here to unbox for you today, and all these 5 boxes are going to be going on to the Genesis Coupe. Now I will give you one hint, they were interior pieces. I could just tell you what they are right now, but what would be the fun in that without unboxing them and showing you guys what is in these boxes. So today, I'm gonna unbox these for you. I'm actually gonna wait for my friend Grayson to come on over here and help me, so he can film while I open these boxes for you. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, give it a comment, and also subscribe to the channel because we have plenty more videos coming for this car and for that car. If anybody would like to send me some monsters, go ahead and send me some, because as you can see, I love monsters. So we are doing an install today. We have got racing seats front, or obviously front, passenger. We have racing seats for the driver and the passenger, as well as a harness bar and harnesses. That's what those boxes are. Alright, so we got the harness bar right here.
Yeah?
I'll go ahead and stab it. Here we go! We're unboxing the harness bar. Once I figure out how to open it without cutting myself, because I'm a child and I can't use knives properly.
A child that's 20 years old.
And barely knows how to use common day tools. Oh! Yeah! Okay, here we go, here we go.
Yeah! Look at those games! Alright, that's a little excessive.
Alright, let's give up on that corner. Here we go! I think that's a sticker and an instruction manual. We don't do instruction manuals out here, boy. I'm gonna assume nuts and bolts and hardware. What look like just giant end links for your car, but they're not actually end links. And then we got the harness bar itself. Let's go ahead and take this out of the wrap. Oh! Oh! Oh, hello! Oh, hello, beautiful! Oh, hold on, we gotta...
Don't cut it.
I know. Gotta cut the tape. Oh! Oh! That's just a beautiful piece of metal. Alright, so we're going to install that first, and we'll update you along the way. Oh! Oh!
Good thing I got.
So,
look at these games!
You ready?
Yeah, you want to put the camera down so I can grab it?
Yeah, I'm passing it to you.
Alright, here, wait. See if it'll get any, footage.
Get her going! Oh, wait.
Oh, it's all plugged in, huh?
There's
Oh, shit!
Yikes!
Come on, Robert!
This is hard!
Pull out! Come on, pull out game week!
You already know I don't pull out. Dude, my hands are bleeding, like everywhere. Seats, man.
See, when he says he puts his blood, sweat, and tears into this car, he really means it.
Okay. You got it? Alright, cool. So this is how you wire tuck a Genesis Coupe 101. You just stuff stuff into the carpet and act like they're never actually even there.
Call it good.
Bam! It's good.
Easy mode!
Goodbye, seat! Oh, this thing heavy!
Look at those games!
Woo! Okay. This is the new Ghost Flash designer buckets. Hey, there's a nickel! I came out of the seat. Drop me a quarter this time.
Drop me $100.
Honestly, jeez.
Drop me college tuition. Didn't work, Robert.
Maybe in the next one. Maybe the next seat will.
So we got the seatbelt out, right, Robert?
Yeah. Yeah. Can you hear them?
What do you mean? It's out.
Yeah.
We definitely didn't, just tuck it into the panel.
We definitely just didn't wire tuck. My great wire tuck. We definitely wire tucked it back here. I didn't feel like taking all that out. It's too much extra work. we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing over here, alright? So I'm just gonna rip that out, and
It is weird.
I don't know where it went. It never existed. What you know? So now we're gonna go ahead and get the harness bar going. I'm gonna bring the brackets on in there, bring this on in here. Maybe slide this over here just in case we want to see a picture, you know. In case we can't do it correctly. No, we just not hit everything on the way in.
Ooh, look at that nice piece of metal right there.
Never felt so appreciative over a piece of metal before.
So we kind of figured out what we're doing here.
Kind of.
A little bit. Air tools, bitch.
Whoops. Busted. Alright. We'll wrap that air.
Oh no, that wasn't straight. Okay, there we go. Fix it. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. Is that why they had it so loose? Maybe I should have loose fitted it first, bolted it together, and then tightened it down. See, we're learning, just like as you guys. See, we just learn as we go.
So it's been a minute since we updated the vlog, Robert.
Yeah, so, come on over here, come on over here. As you can see, the harness bar is in.
Oh, doctor!
It's looking pretty saucy, alright? So now, a lot of people, they don't put the little side pieces back on, but I want to be those people and put the side pieces back on. So we're going to come over here, alright? Safety glasses, always wear safety glasses. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to make 2 little slits right here, and then we're going to see if it fits. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So there you go. Let's see if I did a good job. No, come on, yeah, I'm not done.
I'm not giving
y'all
too
ain't
much
even ready
away.
for what's coming.
Yeah, not giving too much away.
Yeah, it's not.